Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To my loyal viewers and subscribers, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We, at the Jamaica Young Police channel, do believe and support in preemptive strikes because it saves lives. Before we continue the journey, if this is your first time to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost a dime, a penny, a nickel, a pence, a peso, or a pound. And most importantly, it won't clog your phone memory, so it won't reduce the speed of your phone or take away your phone memory, because your subscription does not affect your cell phone memory. By clicking on the subscription button, click on the bell and select all. So when we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video, you are the first person to get the notification of the same. Like the video. Yes, like the video. Share the video. And most importantly, comment below. Yes. So, as you know, as a Jamaican, born, bred, raised, and I spent 2/3 of my life in Jamaica, or close to 2/3. I can tell you that in Jamaica, that most Jamaican in a whole, if you tell them the truth as a person, as a friend, as a family member, I can tell you this: the person that you're telling the truth, that person will vex with you for the rest of your life. Jamaican people do not like to hear the truth. So that is the reason why we're having all this problem, this ethical, moral problem in Jamaica. And people lacking decency and truthfulness and honesty. Because that's how Jamaican people are cultured to be pathological and narcissistic and egoistical people. Everything is all about their feelings, men baby behavior. And, you know, men behaving like they're wearing bingo bag. So we are at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We are not here to babysit anybody. You understand? We are just here to tell people the raw born truth, raw mama papa truth, because we want to change Jamaica back to even the days of the 1980s when, you know, Jamaican people respect each other. That is what we are working on here at the Jamaica Young Police channel. We want a better Jamaica. So, you know, what you're about to see is a video out of Jamaica sent to me by one of my loyal subscribers who want to help with educating the audience of the world about Jamaican people, that you cannot trust them. Yes, you cannot trust them, not because they might smile with you and talk with you, or because they're related to you, or because you grew up with them. These people are snakes. They are very dangerous and they will destroy your life. And we are going to show you a video, this video, that you cannot trust anyone in Jamaica. You understand? You just can't. You can't trust anyone in Jamaica. It doesn't matter what's the relationship. When you travel, do not take not even a greetings from them or how they do from Jamaica to take to any foreign country. Yes, not even how they do. Because you get anything that you take from these people that can be determine your life. Whether you end up in workhouse. Yes, whether you end up in a workhouse and destroy your life. Because Jamaican people do not care about other people. They care about themselves, feelings, men, babies, behavior. You understand? So I want you to watch this video, you know, and I am telling you, typical Jamaican, very dishonest. Oh, we as a people will reach that point. We don't care for anybody but ourselves. So you watch this video, you know. You watch, you listen, and you decide. Alright?
If you get 2-3 patterns.
What's the name of patty at all?
No, it's not freezing.
A cheese patty?
I bought this.
Yeah, we check them around for you. Them all like
everybody give me something. You know, it's not even that somewhere. Yeah.
Stir up the cream.
Stop the cream and bust it back to my cream.
I finger yeah.
Okay, how was it? What? How was it? Creep off this side, that's it. Creep out it. You can't put it back in.
No, put it in this hand.
Something like this area.
Something like that.
Put it on this.
No, put it on the video.
Yeah, no, that should do.
See it there?
I'm not really clean now.
Check the bottom. You have to pull the next part.
I'm saying the knife.
Yeah, you're supposed to stand up on it.
Stand up on it.
This is something area.
Something like this. I dream when I get a G. Normally can't do me nothing.
Where back, where the signs? See now,
Oi.
knife cut here.
How about that?
No, it pack or something.
Okay. Okay.
Cut it now, cut it. Just cut it here. Just cut out.
Yeah, clean out the thing out.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Wash it out, yeah?
No, wash it. Just cut it. Something go on. Anything in there, you will see it.
Yeah.
My knife cut here.
My knife cut here.
So that look like something underneath the body there.
How about it?
It look like I got some jugs.
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
I hit.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, man.
Okay, sir.
I hit, man.
Take off the whole thing.
No, my dream when I get last night.
I carry nothing.
Okay.
I carry
No,
nothing.
wait there.
See it there.
Okay.
See it there.
Okay.
You bring them, they come back for them.
I carry nothing, Errol.
Okay, sir.
Need a pot. Jesus
A jug, that.
Christ, God
Look, yes, sir.
Almighty.
No, they couldn't sleep after the gym every day. 2 gym past
Oh, you
3.
Yeah, you fit turn Christian, you know? You fit turn Christian.
Men must get up and tell her
You fit turn Christian.
Is that his phone?
Look here. See a little bag of tear up there too.
See, but I tear up. Then I need to take
No, leave that. You remember the gym when I get last night? Nobody told me nothing. None.
Jesus Christ.
No man do me nothing. No man do me, Jeffrey.
The same thing that you do me, brother.
Jeffrey, you see all them people see the patch here?
Yeah.
They see it before, man, I tell everybody. Look.
Yeah.
So,
Scrape it up,
you
scrape
must
it up,
sell
Anna.
go give she, Philippine, Jamaican man sell these things.
Yeah.
Yes, then I'm
What
on.
you do? We call him and get them back.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, so there it is, my loyal subscribers and viewers. So you have seen, you know, I am not here sugarcoating anything for anyone. So wherever you are in the world, I hope you learn from that video, you know. Any Jamaican is giving you anything to carry, you let them use FedEx or UPS. You don't take it for them. Don't even let them know when you're traveling. These people are some wicked people, you know. Imagine the same person, you know. So you see how some innocent people end up with criminal conviction and their lives destroyed because of other people. And if the police, the same person or persons who have given the, this man these drugs to take with him, they could have called the police, set him up, and he would be arrested and in jail. And you know that it doesn't matter what he tells the police, they would not believe him. Because they would say that he's a liar. Because that's how it is. If you want to survive and stay out of foreign prison, when you are traveling, you do not trust even your shadow. Because Jamaicans are some of the most evilest people on earth when it comes to their families and friends. And here's why you do not trust anyone who wants to give you a package or two to take with you on the plane. A lot of times we, meaning at the Jamaica Young Police Channel, as a police officer, a detective of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, we, police officer, have seen, witnessed and known of cases of people being caught with drugs at our airports in Jamaica, or when they arrive in another country and they are arrested and charged most of the times, we as a people do not believe that they are innocent. And our reason for feeling that way, we are cognizant of the fact that they, Jamaicans, are from a society where generalship outsmarting each other and lacking trust name Jamaica, because that's how it is there, you know. We try, as Jamaican, they try to outsmart each other, generalship, and they always try now to rip off the next Jamaican in some way. No love. So if you have watched the video, you watch, you listen, and you decide for yourself what you have seen. And I hope those who are not knowledgeable or street smart, this will not happen to them, to get a criminal conviction and end up in a foreign prison or a Jamaican prison. The video, what do you think? Now that you have watched the video, what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. One thing that I have learned when I started to travel is never to take anything from anyone to take to a foreign land. I can tell you about a story. Yes, this is something that happened in the 1990s. Yes, and you know, that cousin now is a police officer abroad. He's a uniformed police officer and his sister is a detective. So two family member police officer. You understand? Yes. So when he was migrating from Jamaica in the late 1990s, one of his cousins, by his father's side, you know, who live in Mandeville, Manchester, you know, back then, you know, even like now, you know, only the rich people live in Mandeville, you know, did the same thing to him. She gave him about 500 US for him, along with tubes of face cream and other cosmetic piece of stuff for women to take to foreign, you know. I had told him, my cousin, before I took him to the airport, not to take anything from anyone to take on the plane with him. When we were at Norman Manley International Airport, Kingston, and I started to question him about the contents of his suitcase, and when we reached the creams and other pieces of stuff, I told him that he was not going to take the same. When the tubes were open, guess what was inside of the tubes? Guess. Yes, man, it was cocaine. It was cocaine. He started to cry uncontrollably and did not want to go on his flight anymore because he could not believe what his first cousins did to him, as he trusted her. His sister, my cousin, is married to a detective corporal. They're still married. And he was given the tubes of drugs to dispose of the same. As a detective, I do not trust people that easily, especially when it comes down to carrying things for people from Jamaica to any foreign country. I had done all the years when I used to travel frequently to and from Jamaica. I have never let anyone know when I was traveling out of Jamaica or when I was returning. Only those who need to know, because in Jamaica you can't trust anyone, as you know. I hope that you guys who are watching this video learn a thing or two and do not fall into the trap of dishonest, wicked and immoral Jamaican people, as they do not care about the future or lives of their family members or friends, and their goal is to make money by whatever means necessary. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.